Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, The World Around Us, we will be covering the section of phonics, in which, first of all, we will learn some new vocabulary words and their meanings. After that, you will be using those words in your creative sentences. And at the end, we will learn about initial consonant blends. So, open up page number 22 and let's get started. First of all, let us learn some new vocabulary words. Repeat these words after me. The first word is adventure, woods, damp, hoods, crawled, sprint, champ, camp, stump, and the last word is flew. Very good. Now that you know the new words, let's learn their meanings. Adventure is an unusual and exciting activity. Woods is an area covered with trees which is smaller than a forest. Damp means slightly wet. Hoods is the covering for the head and neck. Crawled means to move on hands and knees. Sprint means to run at full speed for a short distance. Champ is someone who wins a contest or a prize, also known as champion. Camp is a place where people stay in tents. Stump is the bottom part of a tree after it is cut down. Flew means fly. Flew is the past tense of fly. Now learn and write these words and their meanings on a loose sheet. And after that, use these words in your creative sentences.